Bafo.
Ngiyathemba phela mfethu.
Ngiyaphila njalo mona.
Mfethu, ngaphandle nje kokumosha isikhathi ne. Njengoba kade usuzwile nje ukuthi ngizobe ngokha from Johannesburg to Durban nge-22 zaka-August and then nge-25 September I will walk from here Johannesburg to Swaziland and then on the 10th of January 2026 I will walk from South Africa Cape Town to Egypt Cairo. You understand? So into engifisa ukuyazi mina mfethu before siye entweni engifisa ukuyazi the reason of the walk, the motive behind them walking against depression and anxiety. It's a campaign of mental health. You understand? Njengomuntu engicabanga ukuthi we understand ukuthi what is mental health, you understand? What is depression, what is anxiety? Ungathini wena ngalolu hambo lami?
Bafo, first of all, I would love to have this opportunity. Bong and I'm part of this podcast. Invite you and I'm share whatever the thing that I'm carrying within myself. First of all, most I will also love to thank you, Njam, for breaking a boundary. To break this generational thing that we call it depression and everything, like walking on it and working on it. Yabo. But for to pull into where like a lot of people are trying to reach to where you are. Young Bamba, for me, you already broken something that no one has ever done before. So I'm not gonna have any question. I'm just gonna motivate you, Jayam. Do whatever the thing that you have to do, especially as an artist. Yabona Jayam. Because the most difficult thing to do is to start. That's the most you into inzima kakhulu. Because have you ever seen instead like thina abantu abamnyama, we always believe in each other ukuthi okay ngikopela abantu ukuthi uyenza yini. But with this, no one, you copied no one. It's something that came out of nowhere. You pushing yourself, you know what, let kumele yenzeke. So what I'm trying to understand, ukuthi, actually, maybe what I'm gonna ask you, yini enza ukuthi uthathe uhambo from Cape to Cairo, walking against the depression? Because I'm trying to like, what I'm understanding is that South Africa is one of the most freest countries in Africa, the whole entire Africa. And then you realize that Usaso champion is Zimbabwe, Namibia, where like there's no democracy, there's no that freedom where like you can align yourself in anyhow. Have you thought of that? Okay, what's booza now? Okay, you want to cover that? What are the challenges that I'm gonna face? Yabo? So for me, window that's what I'm trying to get me and like understand ukuthi yini enza ukuthi walk from me to Cairo, because that's a major, that's like a continental thing whereby like akusinoma ubani uyenzile leyo mhlawumbe mina wangiprefera lapho yabo, yiyo into mhlawumbe ngazama ukuyi-understand. Okay, Swaziland is within the premises of South Africa yabo, but when it comes to Cairo, man, how many countries are you gonna jump in, Jayam? How many people are you gonna meet? How many languages should you maybe engage with so that so what's the motive? Okay, you understand with depression and everything, but with you, Jam, from Cape to Cairo, what's the basic thing that's yini into inhloso wabo ka sotho ke re ke eng se hlohlolo ke se etsang hore o tloe yi walk to Cairo?
Mfethu, i-walk mangiyiqala ne kune hashtag engayisusa lokuyi hashtag no limitations, you understand? Because into engiyibonile nengiyibambile basespaceni esiyi-one isikhathi eside. That's why abantu aba-depressed bethanda ukuyivalela endlini. You understand? Iyajabula, ithanda indawo
Meaning that there's no movement, you're in a jail with invisible bars, you are trapped, and you feel like you have a word to share, so you can. But there's nothing, there's no any movement. So
abazwani light abantu be-depression, and I was not diagnosed by any doctor that I have depression. You understand?
Wow.
So mina mengi-interrogator and ngibona abantu and ngi-researcher, you understand, ngayibamba so now lama symptoms I do have, you understand, njengoba like suicidal, cabanga like ukuyinqamula ukuyibulala, you understand. So ngayijump ukuthi nami enye into engicindezela kakhulu, I think engidepressa kakhulu ukuba sesipacini esiyi-one and nokwenza into eyi-one ubone ngathi awuyi phambili, you understand, nokubona ngathi awufika emaphupheni akho, you understand. Because lo mkhakha esikuwona mfethu, i-art iyalimithana because asifani nabanye abantu, asihambisa ama-CV everywhere. We have a specific place where to look for our job, you understand. And on top of that, I mean, I'm not just an artist who would say I look for jobs only. I also create jobs. I understand.
Meaning that you are a healer, Jaya.
Mm,
We're here
mm.
to change the world, the
Yes,
mind's
like
perspective, each other.
bless it. So I've been writing and directing, producing, you understand, for some channels. Nga-actor futhi nakwezinye iy'tori, understand. But ngafika like ekutheni ngabe vele into engiyizele emhlabeni uku-actor kuphela.
Eish,
Understand? Ngakhumbula ukuthi ekukhuleni kwami iphupho lami vele bekutravel umhlaba.
each other.
Understand?
Mm-hmm.
And mengibuyisa umqondo ekukhuleni kwami, I've never been into one space more than 3 years. We've been relocating. Family yethu nje, you understand? We've been relocating.
You
you understand?
reincarnate, Jaya. You mix
Exactly.
yourself with a lot of energies, a lot of people. That's where you find your purpose as an individual, especially as an artist, because we deal with many energies at the same time. I love that. Thank you so much. Jaya.
Yes.
Kubeke yasebenza.
Yabo. So yeah, and then ngafika like 10 ukuthi okay sharp. Then ukuthi ngibe sesipacini esi-1 njengalabantu othola ukuthi uzalelwe la e-KZN, wakhulela la e-KZN, waze waba ne-grey hair la e-KZN, waze wangcwatshwa la e-KZN. You understand? Like I'm not talking bad about abantu understand, ama-puppets awafani. You understand?
Yeah.
Ama-puppets awafani. Uthola ukuthi omunye umuntu la akhona u-right, u-comfortable. You understand? And mina enye into I'm an enemy of comfortability.
Same as
You
me.
understand? Yinto engishayo. Once ngafeel ukuthi ngicomfortable, I feel like there's something wrong that I'm doing. You understand? So yeah, ingakho nje mfethu ngikhethile ukuthi okay sharp. I've been doing ama-province and ngahlangana nawo ama-challenges, and I felt like I need like bigger challenges. You understand?
Yep.
Ama-adventure are more challenging. You understand? Because ngumuntu futhi othanda i-adventure. You understand? Nginesifiso sokuphuma ebhanweni. You understand?
Now, big parachute. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Skydiving, bungee jumping,
Showcase, essentially. Yeah.
igxume
Uphula
lapha
uvalo,
ebridge.
uphula ilimitation. Yabona, you want to be free as anyhow,
Yes.
as possible as like anyhow. Yabo.
Great. And another thing is curse, you understand? So mina ngasho ngithi first we have a poverty curse emndenini wami, you understand? I want to also break this chain, the poverty curse chain. Generational curse, you understand? Ukuthi since ekhaya sure sokithi since ekhaya siphume, you understand? So
Eish.
yeah, I want to travel the
wanted
world
to-
and
Sorry for disturbing. I wanted to add on that. I think in Africa, the whole of Africa, the word poverty is the one that drives us. I don't think we are in poverty. Because you know, these are the things that push us. Like poverty, limitations, and everything. I'm not saying uthi ngiphile experience yakho necessarily. Experience yakho, experience yakho, and no one is going to say shit about it. It's you, yourself, and you only. Ungaphila nohloni uphile nosibanibani, but uhloni mayengekho, what do you do mawusulele ushawa injani? Makumele ubamba umuntu inkunzi, ungahamba uyobamba omunye umuntu inkunzi, yabo. So some of the things want you as a man to take action and say that, you know what, I'm breaking this generational curse and this is what I'm going to do. I'm breaking le gama leli le poverty ukuthi okay thina sikhuleke sihlupheke. Same as me nje. My home is Jagasfontein. Born and bred in Jagasfontein. Khabo mawulidi wami. So nala ngikhona, I take myself as a very ngilambile nje. I haven't found any breakthrough or whatever. Nala ngikhona, I don't feel happy. But impilo iyaqhubeka yabo. But the most beautiful aspect and the most beautiful thing is keep moving forward. No matter what. Ngoba impilo izokushaya njalo. Impilo izokukhombisa. Thinking that you are rich or whatever. Still uhlangabezane nezinye like inkinga okazi uyibone. But with me nje, I want to thank you for taking this stand and say that me as action Maluleka Wandlu, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take a walk. I need a motivation. I need this. That's why it's for me, Najaya. I'm not gonna motivate you. You motivating me right now, making izinto zenzeke.
ngiyabonga kakhulu Otham. Saseku-poverty ne, before we move forward or before we close. Mangikhuluma nge-poverty mina mfethu, I'm not just talking about like thatha something uyifake emlomeni. You understand? Mangikhuluma nge-poverty ngisho le mina ukulamba kwe-soul nokulamba kwe-spirit. Ukulamba physically is something else.
Wow.
You understand? Because Mina i-position engikuyona dog, abantwana bami bayadla everyday, nami ngiyadla everyday. Even manje sikhuluma, I'm not hungry physically. So ukuthi sisesigcwele,
emotional.
I have coins emaphaketheni to go and buy something ukuthi ngisuke. But my soul is hungry, my spirit is hungry. I feel empty. You understand? Whereas you're feeling when you feel empty, you understand? Like you want to fulfill something ongakwazi ukuyisho ukuthi yini lento ofuna ukuyifulfill. You understand? So depression goes a long way, dog. Goes a long way. There's a foundation manje yaka Ricky Rick. I think sengibabhalelile lokuza ni proposal. If you remember, uRicky Ricky talk maka boy. uRicky Ricky grand, uRicky Ricky bekamnandi. You understand? But yamkhawatha la idea. So mangithi break the chain, like in all forms.
Bafo, sorry to disturb you.
Yazi khona into epostile nje mina. Maybe ngitagile. I'm sorry nje mina. Yazi action posted today. I'm drunk. I'm sorry viewers. Action yazi posted. A man with money. No, I think a man without money. Nah. You could be the wisest man in the room. You posted it. You can be the wisest man in the room. But if you don't have money, nobody's gonna listen to you. Right? You can be the wisest man in the world. Nah. Ushama points. Gonke. Marmwana mad. Jam. I love that post. That's why I'm turning the post there. That's why I'm turning it. Because I reflect with it. It's true. Let's not fucking lie to ourselves, Jam. And the inside Jam. I still find you crazy, but I'm not like, yo, sorry guys. Jam yahlanya man. But the inside, yingenza. Winja. You're sick when. Mara winja game. Yahlanya.
Sure.
Fucking crazy man. Mara winja. That's why ngibuzile nto le. Yeah, bayacaba nabo. Ngibuzile ngathi namposto wawufuni na. Wathi awufuni. Ivari njami. Into oyenzile first time. Awufuni ukuthi bacabe. Njami uyenzile.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Okay, it's okay. Jabonga crash.
Taking with the last note, I wanted to add upon on lento le jobo ukuthi ukulamba spiritual and everything. I've realized that mawungana time, mawungana background support ekhaya. Somehow you find yourself in difficult situations where like awukeni uyenze yini uzama yini lebe uyizama and there's no one who's supporting you, who's pushing you ukuthi lento le yenzakala. Kula ungishaye khona njengamina ngikhule ngana time. Chamanam was my grandpapa from mom's grandmother. So they out my show around. I thought Nabuma uncle and whatever. Up until I realized, as in, there's no one who actually gives a shit. But when you start making it, because I've realized one thing, there's no such thing as a achievement. Mobi achievement, if you need maintenance. For you to stay in a city now, mountain punuklala da kulela hlala. Mhlambe a month idlala khona licela 50,000 electricity, water and everything. So that's you maintaining a success, yabo. So for me, with me having people like you, my surrounding, my environment, my community, you keep pushing me. Okay, it's possible. Same as you, what you're doing on me right now. I'm doing this and this and this and that. What's the question? What's the motive behind it? That's what you need for me now. You are the motive, you are the answer to this. Yeah, about that we do. You are the answer to this movement. So believe in it, live it, appeal and do it for us, the ones who believes in you.
Lento lo khuluma ngayo leyo yokungabi na time at all. I know exactly what you are talking about. You get to a point.
Masiba ama monster njama ubona inhliziyo awusabi awunavalo up until you start realizing that I got brothers, at least khona umuntu ukwazi ukungikhoma tanga ngifuna ukuyesigela. Okay, yesigela but uyele esigela for yini? No, ngiyele esigela for what? Kula ngibona khona no, mawuyele esigela for what? Awuyele esigela for yini? Uyele esigela for omunye umuntu. Uyele esigela for omunye umuntu. Yabo? Uyele esigela for omunye umuntu. And mawuye esigela for omunye umuntu, that's when you start realizing, oh man, lento ngiyenza is not about me. It's about the society. It's about the ones who are looking up to me. Okay, yonke lento possible. Yabo? It's possible, Jam. Do it. Do it, Jam. It's possible.
Ngiyabonga.
Nah, it's possible, Jam. Go for it, Jam.
Mfethu, ngiyabonga for ilokuzana isikhathi sakho mfethu, yabo.
Hey, Tada.
So mengisafuna ukuya la kule point leli time, you understand? You get to a point whereby unale feeling ukuthi if benginobaba
Oh.
ngabe umhlaba ngiwubuke ngelinye side, ama challenges lawo ngabe ngiwatheke ngenye indlela, you understand?
Tada.
Especially when it comes to abantu besimame, you understand? Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi unomuntu wesimame and ugaya amanye ama challenges, you understand, the difficult times. Ubona ukuthi okay, le nto le ifuna ngikhulume nomuntu wesilisa and une-already kuphela.
Yo.
And i-already uzogaya i-advice vele yabomama, and wena inkinga yakho ubhekene nayo
Ubaba.
and moyobuza omunye umuntu wangaphandle angeke athashe lapho kuzothasha khona itime lakho because wena you are your own father.
Showcase.
You understand?
You are a replica of him.
Exactly.
Hey, Tada.
So uzokutshela ukuthi thina, you understand, mhlambe mina uNdlovu or mina uMaluleka ukuthi thina uMaluleka senza so makusho. Unlike uzobuza umuntu wakamkhize azokutshela ukuthi akumele wenza so, it's not the same.
Showcase.
You understand?
Showcase.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Jam, before you close lento le. When you are sick wena. You are fucking crazy ass nigga. That's why. Uyacaba naye. Naye
Showcase.
ngizoyifaka VVN. Njama ngitakiwe njama ayikabi njama. Winje dog. Into yenzayo. So noma videotape lawa so shade lawa manje. Njama, you are crazy, bro. You are fucking crazy ass motherfucker. Ngikhayise. Njama ngifuna ukuthi uyibone. Uyahlanya wena. You are fucking crazy, bro. Jam, me, I feel I can do anything. Say you should have you. You come to you send a level. Dog, and the inside, you're crazy, bro.
Sure.
That's why you're crazy. I'm
Sabonga.
a pussy when it comes to your ass.
Sabonga.
I'm a pussy, bro.
So that's Sabonga.
Wait. Yo, this nigga quit alcohol for 3 months. No, I'm Jack.
Salute
Salute.
Sure.
Would you quit alcohol?
Yeah, if I have.
Yeah.
To sacrifice myself.
No, wait. For work.
Even if it's not there.
Okay, ask me like ask me personal.
For anything, in short.
Ask me personal, yeah. But I don't you know. Your child, I don't know. Choose yeah. Fuck the cameras. Fuck whoever's watching. Fuck.
Okay, the kids are watching this stuff.
I know they can watch. Even your kids. Even your kids.
Okay, can you close and continue?
No.